Step-by-step guide to installing Linux, Beginner's Edition. Introduction. Welcome, beginners, to this step-by-step guide on installing Linux. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know to successfully install Linux on your computer. Let's get started. Section 1. Preparing for installation. Introduction to Linux distributions. Before we start, it's important to understand Linux distributions. Today, we'll be using Ubuntu, a popular and user-friendly choice. Downloading the Linux ISO. Navigate to the official Ubuntu website. I'll provide the link in the video description. Download the ISO file for the version you want to install. Creating a bootable USB. Now, let's create a bootable USB. You'll need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. We'll use Rufus for this. Download and install Rufus, then follow along as we create our bootable USB. Section 2. Installing Linux. Booting from USB. Restart your computer and access the BIOS/UEFI settings. Set the USB drive as the primary boot device. Save changes and exit to boot from the USB. Linux Live Session. Once booted, you'll enter a live session. This allows you to explore Linux before installing. When ready, double-click the Install Ubuntu icon on the desktop. Starting the installation. Follow the installation wizard. Choose your language, keyboard layout, and time zone. Click Continue to proceed. Disk partitioning. You'll reach the installation type screen. For beginners, erase disk and install Ubuntu is a safe option. Click Install Now. User account setup. Create your user account. This is the username and password you'll use to log in. Click Continue. Installation progress. Now the installation begins. This might take some time, so be patient. Once completed, you'll see a prompt to remove the installation media. Section 3. Post-installation steps. Completing the installation. Restart your computer and remove the USB drive. You've successfully installed Linux. First boot and updates. On the first boot, Ubuntu will finalize the setup. Once in, open the Software Updater to install any updates available for a more secure system. Exploring the desktop environment. Take some time to explore your new Linux desktop. Familiarize yourself with the interface, the file manager, and the application menu. Conclusion. Congratulations, you've completed the installation of Linux. This is just the beginning of your Linux journey. Feel free to explore, learn, and join the Linux community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy computing!